Hi. Hi, hello.
Kakainis na ayaw.
Morning!
Morning.
Anya, sorry, di ko nakasama. Bebe ka pa eh.
Ambian niya.
Mama, chup-chup.
Bilihan ko naman, iiwasan mo lang masaktan. Di ka madedehado kung sasagutin mo lang ako. Paninindigan kita, oh, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo, paninindigan kita, oh, anong sabihin ng magulong muna.
Hi, pork loin. So, ay, tapos,
Apple.
apple juice. Sa akin naman, red wine. Tapos, binigyan kami ng option sa red wine. Sabi, Shiraz or Ganache daw. Sabi ko, ano difference? Sabi ng flight attendant, hindi ko rin po alam. So, ito na lang. Hindi rin niya alam eh.
Malapit ka na sinta, nawawala ang angas ko. Pilit man na itago pa, grabe kasi kung paano mo ko itahan. Kapag napupuno na ako sa ingay ng paligid, ikaw ang aking katahimikan.
Okay, nandito na kami sa Sydney.
Nakalaan na kami. Pero nagpapaiwan ka kami kasi 6 hours pa yung
Layover natin.
so, waiting pa kami.
Kita, oh, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo.
Nandito na kami sa Sydney Airport. Papunta na kami ng transfer gate namin.
Departure.
Oo, hahanapin pa namin. Medyo malayo-layo yung walk.
Paninindigan kita, sasamahan ka kahit na.
Guys, tingnan nyo to. Bibenta sila ng itlog ng kangaroo. Ano? Australian made.
Ganggang.
Ano nakasulat? Kangaroo's clothing. Tapos yung balat din ng kangaroo. Ay, ganito pa. Hi, Pat. So, 6 hours na kami dito. Wala pa kaming magawa. Pares pa kaming busog. Hindi ko namin alam kung saan kami pipwesto. Although, ito na yung gate namin. Gate. Sarado pa. So, hindi pa kami how do you call it? Check-in. Good morning.
Good morning.
May breakfast kami. Parehas kaming inaantok.
Yeah.
Parehas kaming inaantok.
Sa Philippines, ano oras?
Dumating kami dito parang mga 3 a.m. eh. Sa Philippines, 3 a.m. Tapos dito, 6 a.m., 6:30. Ngayon, it's 9:33.
Kaya 3 hours difference, so 6 pa lang sa Philippines. 6.
Oo, maaga pa. We barely had some sleep.
Ibig sabihin, maaga ka din nagising, Anya Pot.
Maaga siya nagising. Iyak-iyak daw siya kay Lola.
Kasi
Kain po.
nabigay ka agad yung
Hindi.
milk.
Ay, lakas tuloy yung umiyak. Anyway, ngayon, makain kami ng breakfast. Patty's having chai tea. I'm having falafel tsaka cappuccino. Kain.
Waiting na lang kami mag-boarding.
Patapos
We're
yung
bored
6
na.
hours.
We're bored na.
Patapos na yung 6 hours sa aming pag-aantay. Ate, pero nakatulog na. Idlip. Sana makatulog ulit sa flight.
Hindi na kami nakapaglipot-lipot kasi wala kami energy.
Kasi hindi nakatulog.
So,
In a while, 2 hours and 38 minutes will be at Auckland.
so ang goal namin ngayong flight na to is makatulog para may energy
energy
mamaya. Kasi magdi-dinner pa with
Sophie
Sophie
and
and
family.
yeah. So, catch you up.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Hi! We're at
We're at a motorway.
New Zealand! Yay! Proof! Here's
Ako yung proof. Ako yung proof. Ow! Ano nangyari?
Slide down.
Ang slide down? Ah!
May kwento. May kwento. What happened?
Miguel. Yung kwento, sumabog yung gulo, di ba? Okay.
Doon kami sumabog.
Sumabog yung gulo. Tapos,
Meron tayo ditong
roadside assistance.
imported.
May, galing Pinas, roadside assistance. Hindi naman, tinulungan naman tayo ni tao dito. Lord ni Kain. Ayusin yung gulo. Wala. Pagod na mga person.
Assistant, road assistant.
Mamaya balikan natin.
Hi! First day namin dito. And, tadaan! Meron na kagad adventure. Go, do, go! Go, do, go! They did it! Yay!
Tire away. It's gonna hurt my knees. The nose.
Hi, vlog char. Hello, dito kami sa New Zealand na. Yay!
Sa bahay nila Sophie and Graham. Parents ni Kain.
Tara.
Di ba? Joke.
Here!
Need ba mag
Yeah. Parang sweet corn lang din.
Happy birthday. Sorry. We were focused in singing. Sorry. One more time. One more time with feelings. Take two. Happy birthday. Ay. Dear Jody. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Wish. Ang hala, ang dami. Daming wish. Yay!
Winning like a princess?
Yay!
No, we already had that one.
Oo nga. Wish come true.
Good morning, New Zealand!
Good morning.
Energy max. Good morning!
Good morning. Ano nga tawag dito? Second day.
Second day!
Second day.
Where are we going?
Hooker Valley. The joke.
It's not here.
We're going to the auto shop.
Yeah!
In New Zealand!
Yay!
Day 2!
First things first. Auto shop. Joke lang.
Safety first. How's the coffee?
Sarap.
Ka-
Dalang kape sa Pilipinas eh. Gatas lang talaga yun.
Aha. Balita ko nag-overtime ka daw. Mga kababayan, nandito tayo sa automotive dito sa New Zealand. Ito pala dito, grabe guys.
Mga kababayan. In English, fellow continent.
Mag-interview po tayo ngayon ng isang babaeng naka-color green.
Akala ko yung box eh.
Grabe guys.
Grabe.
Pala dito.
Ang daming gulo.
Grabe, ang ganda.
So, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko sa kanila kahapon, baka wala sa camber yung ilalim nila. Kasi tingnan nyo. Dito, malalim pa. Malalim pa yung groove ng gulong. Ito, malalim pa. Pero pagdating dito, babaw na. Tilaki ng butas eh. Di nga lang siya butas eh. Napunit talaga siya eh. Ayun ako. Yun. Ang laki.
Buti na lang we're safe.
So anyway, kayo, kamusta naman kayo?
Hi Anya, shout out kay Anya.
Shoutout kay Anya, pati kay Julina. Mama Chup Chup Julina, salamat.
Yeah.
Kasi love na love ka rin ni Anya. Hindi ka daw iniiyakan.
Hiyang kay Julina. Wow, hiyang.
Malay mo, sa'yo talaga yan. Joke lang, Anya. Love you.
Thank you.
Mama G.
Daddy,
Kay Papa tsaka kay Daddy. Alam mo eh, puro kami shoutout. Wala lang kami magawa. Bye-bye. Oh, yan sila kain.
This one's the same.
Really? What do you think that happened?
This is a real one.
Ay, nakahita lang. Nakaganon to eh.
Oo nga, naka-flag siya.
So you've got toe adjustments, but you've got no camber adjustment. There's quite a lot of camber there.
Yeah.
So
It's the camera.
there's a hell of a lot of camber there.
Mm.
You know, it's probably like 3 degrees.
Right. Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah, well, compared to the front, can you see the front?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I can grip a little bit of it on the toe
Yeah.
to help out, but it's not that much.
First stopover.
Stop over.
Siyempre. McDo. As usual. Ay, hindi pala. Dito pala ata tayo. Oh. Looky. Hi. Good morning. It's not.
Oh,
It's
good
after.
morning for me.
It's 12:30. We are at
We are at Hookah Falls.
Oh, yeah. Hookah pala.
Hookah.
Iba yung nasa isip ko. Hi. Kayin.
We have here Kayin, our local tour guide.
Local tour guide, and Ate Jody, our local tour guide. Yes. Let's go. The skin. Whoa, look at that. Ganda ng water, oh.
So, nandito na naman tayo sa New Zealand at naglalakad tayo. Syempre, kapag nasa New Zealand ka, maglalakad ka.
Oo. Dito na lang medyo nakapaglakad-lakad ka sa Pilipinas ng konti.
Mhm.
Pero wala, no choice.
Wow! Wow! Ganda ng falls.
May mist. Ang ganda ng kulay ng water.
This is Hookah Falls.
Hookah Falls. Yung color ng water, parang sobrang blue niya. Kasi yung bubbles ng waterfall, nag-create ng... So, habang naglalakad tayo pabalik, balikan natin yung game na nilalaro namin kanina sa car. Pinahirapan kasi nila kami. Kaya pinapahirapan ko sila. So, yung game, ewan ko alam nyo na yung game na yun, 20 questions. So, meron akong thing na nasa isip, huhulaan nila. They're going to ask me questions, pero bibilangin ko ilang questions na sila. Maximum of 20. Pag hindi pa rin nila sagot, talos sila, ako yung panalo. So, gusto ko lang kayo isali sa kung ano yung mga tinanong na nila. Tapos try nyo hulaan kung ano yung nasa isip mo. So, yung question nila was, number 1, buhay ba to? So, yung sagot ko doon, pwede. Another question nila is, kung may balat ba to? Sabi ko, pwede din. Ano pa bang mga tanong nila kanina? Ayun, so yung isa pa nilang tanong is, if malaki ba sa tao yung thing na to? Sabi ko, pwede din. Ano pa ba? Ano bang tanong nila?
Tulog pa ko.
Tulog ka pa. Well, we'll figure out kung ano yun mamaya. Try to join in. Tingnan nyo kung mahuhulaan nyo.
Exercise. Hindi ba siya
Maybe a little. We're here. Nakaupo muna kami waiting for them. Pagod na kami. O baka ako lang. Pagod ka na?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Natulog ako na natulog kanina sa biyahe. Kaya,
Ako,
more energy mas happy ako.
It's funny kasi matutulog din dapat ako. Tapos biglang nag-aya si Kain maglaro ng game.
No choice.
Yung papikit na ako, bigla siyang nagtanong ng game. Tapos pepwesto na akong matulog. Na gumanon si Ate Judy. Pagtingin niya Ate Judy, nakadilat ako. Hey, no, Doe will join the game. And I'm like, gusto ko matulog eh. Ayan, namang problema. Tuloy kaming tapusin yung game na to. Ito na sila. Let's G.
Something. That's in the present time.
That's in the present time.
Yeah.
Something that's in the present time. Ano ko ba sasagutin yun? Yeah, sure. Sure. Oh, ito na yung falls, guys. Wait, hanap tayo ng better view. Yes. Look at that. So nice. Blooper. That's going to the blooper reel. Oh, sarap ng hangin. Yummy.
It is something that was once alive but is now dead.
Okay. No, you got rephrase your question. I'm helping. Huh? No, you've already asked. You've asked the question related to that, so I wouldn't count it.
Is it living?
Yeah,
Yeah, but like you said yes or well, you said maybe.
possibly.
Possibly.
So now your question is,
Wasn't alive before, but now it's died. Or died.
it can be. Can.
It's like a generic name for a group of something.
Okay.
Like the generic name for.
Oh, sabi niya kung generic name daw of a group of something. No, it's not.
How many is that? 15?
It's not. Yeah, 15.
5 more, huh? Let's get this over and done with.
He doesn't want to think anymore.
Brain is hurting.
Sobrang dali lang niya. Just have to ask the right questions. So, nasa Taupo proper na kami. Oo, maghanap lang kami ng lunch makakainan. And then, after we're heading to the Airbnb.
No, we're going sailing. Sa
We're going
Airbnb
sailing.
natin is nasa Peru.
Okay. So, sailing first. And then, sa Rotorua na tayo.
Still an hour away from Rotorua.
Oh, dahil. An hour away daw. There's a bus now.
Dito siya, no?
Oh, you don't like it? Ito, New Yorker.
What's your question again?
Something like a bone or a skull.
Yeah, it could be bigger than like average human size.
Yeah.
It could be. We're thinking it's a like body part.
He would have thought that. He's a dentist.
So which body part? How many questions do you have?
One.
I'm thinking skull. But it could be bone.
What if it's the heart? Is it much bigger?
But what is it? Skin? Is it human?
Can be. because it could be like animal heart.
Right. Okay, that's where we're getting mixed up.
And what
If
else?
it's living, it could be dead.
Yeah.
So if it's living or dead, it would be a heart. Bones are not, right?
And present day. And
I forgot what the other questions were. Are you recording us?
Yes. So you can see it afterwards.
I think heart's a good guess. I don't think it's skull now. A heart.
that's our answer.
What is this?
Body part.
It's a body part.
Sa wakas, they've ended it.
So if we only went lower.
Damn it. We were so close.
You guys are so close. I'm telling you. And then
It's
you
not
could
far.
Yeah. Like literally not
Just a
far.
few neighbors.
Okay.
But I could have been more petty and like
Yeah.
when you guys answered the heart, I'll say, ay, the stomach, I'll say, oh, it's the heart. I mean, asan tayo? Where are we?
Tao po.
Taupo.
Tao po.
Oo.
Tao po.
Parang sa ano nila, sa mga port. Sa mga port tuloy sa
I think it's that one coming
mga boat port nila. We're going to ride the sailing boat. Tapos, funnily enough, ang lamig ng hangin.
Kanina hindi. Kanina hindi.
Yung lamig ng hangin para kang nakatapat sa aircon. Tapos, tatalon kami sa tubig. Ata. Hindi pa kami sure. Hindi pa buuin damdamin ko. Ikaw ba, Pat? Tatalon ka?
I don't know. Let's see if malamig na malamig yung dito.
I think parating na yung sailing boat. I'll take a video in a while pagka andyan na. Ito na nga yun. Ata. Oh, hindi na siya. Bakal namin. Pero, sa totoo lang pa, ikaw may kasalanan nito eh. Kasi dapat magsisling-shot kami. Pero sabi mo ayaw mo, nag-go na kayo mag-sailing boat.
Work out what you all want to do, and then I'll.
Ma-enjoy mo ba? Or pwede tayo just kung hindi dito, ano pa ba tutuloy
I need to go get my phone.
Still waiting for the next question.
So, third day,
The way back, yeah.
Ulan. It's raining.
Kanina.
Oo, and sabi, may chance daw ng 3-meter high waves.
That's not first step.
Oh, so para may idea kayo ng 3-meter high, 2 meters lang ata ako.
I already watched that movie. Titanic.
Oo, diba? So, we might have to revoke.
Yeah, we'll just revoke.
We could just, so baka we talk to him na. Ayun. So, we're planning to stay na lang sa Airbnb.
Bili tayo ng board games. Pupunta na kami ng Airbnb.
Right,
Sa
Rotorua. So, an hour na biyahe. So, right now, we're still playing 20 questions. We're sure na it's Jollibee, just changed it. Pero, it's Jollibee. When we meet in heaven, he'll tell me the truth.
It's really Jollibee.
It's really Jollibee. No, it's really Jollibee. I pranked you. Okay. Sino na magtatanong? Nakita ko na siya. Pero gusto ko lang ma-appreciate mo siya. This is where we're going to stay for 3 days. I'm not showing you the left side just yet. Pero ito na siya. Ito yung aming view. May mga sheep there. Then, a little farther away, may deer.
Kitchen. May free brownies.
Judge mo na kagad.
Bathroom. Ito yung first bedroom. Wow. First bedroom. Another bedroom. I-judge mo na kagad. Wait lang. How is it? How's the free brownie? It's good. Is it yummy?
Duraan nyo.
Agad.
Tapos yung bibig may mga frogs.
Alam ko, nagbe-video ka na.
Cut na. Cut sa kanya.
Okay.
Retake from the top.
From the top.
Oh.
Try it. It's really good. It's really good. It has
first reaction.
It has walnuts.
Yeah.
It's gluten free.
You wouldn't believe it.
Easy dinner. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni. Put some more cheese on top. Garlic bread.
Yay! What's that? Mallows. Mallows.
Basta huwag lang kalimutan yung ratio. Buti hindi sobrang init. Ano yung pasta?
Pasta. Mac and cheese.
Yun na do. Ayan, siya.
Cheese, masarap yun ha.
Tapos may bacon.
Pampalaki yan ha. Pampalaki yan.
Birthday ni ate.
Oo, pang birthday lang. Nanda.
Malaki na kasi. Malaki na kasi.
Pang ilang araw. Sa seba ng cheese nilagay sa oven.
Chef. Anong ginagawa mo, chef?
Mac and cheese with
Yeah, both.
both. Should I mix it?
Yes. Wala kasi kaming wifi kanina.
Siya na lang pupunta. Ayaw niya daw.
O, pagbalik nyo na lang.
Manipis ba? Baka mas isa tayo.
It's very moving. Okay, thank you. Why, Ricky?
That's princess pa.
But why not?
Because why a Ricky?
Why not?
Why not Ariki?
Sorry, parents.
You gotta make that joke.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've been making dad jokes since I was elementary. You've been preparing. You were destined to be a dad. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas, pero naisipan namin mag-swimming. Mag-short. Ginawa. Naisipan namin mag-swimming. I don't know what temperature it is, but I'm guessing mga siguro below 20s, no? Hindi naman. 20, below 25.
17.
Oh, yun na nga, 17. So, 17. Yung pinakamalamig ng aircon natin is 16. So, imagine nyo yung current temperature namin ngayon sa labas is 17. Tapos, mag-swimming ang mga person. Ayan na, oh. So, right now, we are at Buhay Ariki. Technically, hot springs. Pero, syempre malamig sa labas. Alam mo na, lalamigan pa rin kami mamaya. Tara. May damit?
So, ano room to? Ano bang room to?
This is Himalayan salt. We tried licking the wall.
Wow. Is it salty?
I'm just kidding.
Game. Do, ate. Do. They're having their moment.
birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ang sweet naman may langgam.
Nalulunod yung langgam! Dapat hindi ka naglayin. Dapat dito lang.
Blessing stone. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Release of strengths of the last year and more blessings in the coming year.